Hello everyone. Welcome you for the video about tail lights. We are from BMP Enterprise Co Limited. This is Suzuki Jimny, and the design style of our tail light is similar to Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Our tail light is E-Mark certified. So, if you are interested in our product, please contact us for further discussions. The tail light on the left is the original one, and the one on the right is the tail light we designed. Let us see the demonstration of our tail light. First, the driving light is bright enough. Now is the braking light. There is an ample increase in intensity. The third is the sequential flashing turn light. And finally is the braking light. So, if you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us for further discussion or purchase. Thank you.